presents the Digital Twin story. PROLIM enables companies to create the unimaginable products of the future through the creation of the digital footprint and the use of Siemens Digital Industries software comes the Digital Twin. PROLIM helps enable companies of all sizes to manufacture and implement a digital thread through the industrial transformation. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical product or process used to understand and predict the physical counterparts, performance, and characteristics. Digital twins are used throughout the product lifecycle to simulate, predict, and optimize the products and production systems before investing in physical prototyping and assets. With industrialization at an all-time high, PROLIM is here to help transform your processes and innovate products faster today with tomorrow's expectations. The Digital Twin story, coming March 2020.